I'm back. I was on holiday. Can you tell? While I was on holiday, the thought crossed my mind, how do you write killer ad copy? What goes into ad copy to make it the best of the best? Because if you think about it, if everyone's doing the best practices, how do you stand out? Well, let's get into it in this video. Hopefully you can take something away from this video to help you write better ad copy and improve your performance of your account.
Writing Google ads that hypnotize. Yeah, headlines popping, call to action strong. A/B testing all night long. Watch your numbers climb, it feels so right. Crafting killer copy day and night. Yeah, headlines popping, call to action strong. A/B testing.
Before we jump into this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment what is your best tip for writing better ad copy. Let's get started. You probably already know this, but it needs to be said. Number one, speak directly to your customer. You know your customer better than anyone else. You know that your customers are purchasing your products for a specific reason. Speak to that reason. Remember, anyone can say, buy this shoe, it's 50% off. But why choose this shoe over this shoe? And that is where your ad copy comes in. That's where you grab the attention. You know what your customer's looking for. And in your product, whatever it is that stands out from another product, that is what you need to speak to. A great example is you never hear the company Nike talk about how good their product is. You never hear them say, our shoe is the best quality, it lasts the longest. They never say that. What they speak to is their customers who use their products, their shoes, for activity, such as running, sports, those kind of things. They know that their customer can relate to that message, so they pick up on that, and that's what they speak to, and that's why they are as big as they are. It's not because they have the best product, because I'm sure you know that there are products out there that are cheaper and better than possible Nike products. But they don't speak to that. And this is why they've grown so much. Okay, point number two, you want to be hyper local. If your business is located in multiple areas, your messaging needs to be local to the specific area that they're going to see your ad. So unfortunately, this does mean duplicating your ad copy and changing it for each location, but you will see better performance off the back of that. Being hyper local makes people relate to your ad copy. If someone sees something in your ad copy that a massive global brand isn't saying, they're more likely to click on your ad copy. They're more likely to go down the road and visit your store because they know where you are in the local community. It's a lot easier for someone to feel more comfortable with a business that they know that they can access that business if they need to. Just really quick, guys, I've been doing a lot of work on TikTok. I'm currently doing the 75 hard challenge. So click the link in the description below to go see what my TikTok's about. A lot of it is marketing related, and I'm sure that you'll benefit from that on a more daily routine rather than once a week with these videos. But if you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment once again letting me know what's your favorite tip for ad copy. We're trying to build a community here. Yay! Okay, point number three, just to get us across the line, is testing. The benefit that we have with digital marketing is the opportunity to test. If we had to use traditional methods such as TV adverts, billboards, newspaper ads, we cannot test this. Once it's out, that is the final product. However, with digital, we can put multiple different formats of different ad copy together to find out which one works the best with our audience. My biggest tip for writing the best ad copy you can is testing early on so that you can evolve it into the copy that works the best for your company. Not only does our business learn what to do over time, but also what not to do over time. And that's the importance of testing. So try some ad copy as explaining why your product is the better option. Try some ad copy explaining what benefits the customer can get from using your product. And then some ad copy just speaking to your customer. Using these different methods, you can find out which one works the best and which one is probably going to flop. But you know not to do that in the future. There you have it. Those are my 3 tips for writing killer ad copy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.